Vaccine distribution has expanded to nursing homes. More than a third of the 306,000 COVID deaths have come from long-term care facilities. And some issues have been reported with the Pfizer vaccine. We get more now from CBS's David Begnaud.
Tonight, protecting the nation's most vulnerable as nursing home patients and workers in West Virginia and Florida are getting their first dose of the vaccine.
What a great time for this to come. Really to put an end, hopefully, to this virus.
Members of the military are also being immunized as Pfizer's vaccine rollout continues across the country. CBS News obtained exclusive access as more than 4,800 doses of the vaccine arrived at UC Davis Medical Center in Sacramento, California. As soon as they came off the truck, first stop is the pharmacy to start opening the box. The vials were immediately put into this ultra-cold freezer. They were then taken out in small batches, labeled, and thawed. Dr. Nate Cooperman was among the first to get the shot.
I now know that I will not die from this disease.
Tonight, there are new reports about a glitch that's affecting vials in California and Alabama, which arrived too cold to process. Thousands of potential doses that now need to be replaced. The first report of serious side effects involves a middle-aged healthcare worker in Juneau, Alaska, who had an allergic reaction within 10 minutes of getting the vaccine. The FDA issued a reminder today that people with severe allergies to vaccines should refrain from taking it at this time. Along with the hope that comes from a vaccine, there is so much despair. California reported nearly 54,000 new coronavirus cases in just one day. That is the highest ever for any state. California's hospitalizations and deaths are also at record levels. Hospital employees like Marcia Santini are now out sick, struggling with COVID.
This was like someone punched me in the gut and ripped my heart out.
There is a new study which shows a majority of kids with coronavirus got it from their families, not from their classmates. Dr. Anthony Fauci says he's hopeful that an overwhelming majority of Americans will take the vaccine when it becomes widely available this spring.
We will get a veil or an umbrella of herd immunity over the population.
And finally, after battling COVID-19 since November and giving birth while in the hospital, Natalie Herrera finally got to go home this week to hold her one-month-old baby boy Felipe for the very first time. We just arrived in Fresno, California, and here in the central part of the state, the biggest hospital has run out of ICU beds. You know, there's another way to think about how the Pfizer vaccine works. Dr. Tom Frieden, who used to run the CDC in Atlanta, says the mRNA in the Pfizer vaccine is like an email. It goes to your immune system, says what the virus looks like, and gives instructions on how to kill it. And then, like a Snapchat message, it just disappears. Nora?
All right, David Begnaud, thank you.